You guys, welcome back. To begin the solar new year, I'm making Jaew Bong Moo Yong, an aromatic chili paste eaten with sticky rice. This variation contains pork floss. Let's get started. This is pork floss, pork that's been cooked and dehydrated to the point it can be shredded into fine strands like this. It has a fun texture and savory flavors. You can find this in your local Asian grocery store. I'm making a thin syrup with water and sugar. Over medium-low heat, simmer and stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. This sugar water is done. Set it aside. Freshly steamed Thai sticky rice is a must. Can't wait to dig into this. For aromatics, we'll need shallots, thinly sliced, garlic, thinly sliced, also galangal, thinly sliced like this, Kaffir lime leaves, and loads of your favorite dried red chilies. I'm using chinda. If you'd like to reduce the heat, you can remove the seeds if you wish. Just imagine how aromatic and robust this paste will be with sticky rice. On medium heat, in goes enough vegetable oil to deep fry. Add in the garlic, stir occasionally. It can take about 10 to 15 minutes for it to develop a deep color, like this. Scoop and drain on a paper towel. Be sure to spread them out. As they dry, they'll crisp up nicely. In goes the shallots. And repeat the steps. Next, galangal. Until they've developed a deeper color and become slightly crispy. Followed by Kaffir lime leaves, which won't take long at all to become crispy. And then dried fried chilies. When they've developed a deeper color, scoop them out as they can burn quickly. fried aromatics sat and became crispier. Let's blend them all up into a paste. Add this coarse paste into a mortar. We'll season it and pound it into a fine, sticky paste. For the following ingredients, adjust the amount of seasoning to your liking. Add salt, MSG for magical umami, fish sauce, and all of the sugar water, but little by little so it's manageable to pound. Pound and mix everything well. In goes all of the pork floss. Pound and mix well until the mixture becomes uniform and sticky like this. Taste and adjust the flavors to your liking. Here we have it, Jaew Bong Moo Yong. Spicy, savory, slightly sweet and salty, full of aromatics. Enjoy with sticky rice as a side to grilled meats and your favorite crunchy vegetables. I hope you enjoy this video. Please hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.